As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Hey, welcome back to the fish tank, guys. Happy holidays. And today we are taking part in the DIBS Long Roof Invitational. Today we're working on the 1969 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. Today we're going to turn this classic into a cool custom cross-country driver. Let's jump into it. So, like I said, we are going to build this Vista Cruiser into a cross-country just ride. Something that you can just jump into and take cross-country. It's a wagon, of course. With that, we are going to strip the car apart, like you see here. I cleaned down the posts because they were pretty rancid after I unscrewed it. And then we're going to move on to the fish tank, or the chum bucket, as I should say. And we're going to throw our car in there and let it strip itself apart, because we're not going to reuse that light blue paint. Plus, it doesn't really look correct, in my opinion. Next, after the car is completely stripped, we are going to worry about the cleaning process. This was pretty rough, to be honest. The casting itself was in good condition, but the residue was pretty messy and it was pretty caked on. I believe the car was sitting there for a long period of time, and it kind of took a while to clean this up. So, if you're new, this is a little technique that me and a lot of the other diecast builders like to use. You will take your whole base and you'll throw it into a solution called Super Clean. It's a degreaser, and it will strip the chrome completely off your base. With that said, we are now going to move on to our wheels. I know this is going pretty fast and efficient, but we are on to our wheels while we let our base sit and we let our paint dry, because at this point we did paint the car. Anyways, the route that I went with was these, I don't even know how to put them. They're these, like, I would say rally style wheels, and I think they would fit the car best just because of its stock stance. It gives it kind of this off-roader kind of look, but also kind of stock, just higher look. And it really completed the car, especially with the color that we went with.
Meanwhile, back in the fish tank.
With our wheels complete, we are going to move on to our casting itself. As you see here that I have my liquid chrome pen, we are going to first start by completely detailing it out. We did the roof rack, door handles, rear lights, and the front emblem on the front of the car. There wasn't a lot to do on this one, but I wanted to take it kind of a step further. What I mean by that is we are going to completely chrome this out, let it dry, and then I'm going to apply a gold over it. I just thought it would look better with the brown instead of chrome, just to help it stand out a little bit more. Guys, there's a lot of detailing going to go on. We're going to submit in our wheels, and then we're going to completely detail out the base. So with that said, we're going to just let you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I'll see you when we are going to reveal our final product. With the car fully detailed and reassembled, this is what we started with. If you guys remember, it was a pretty self-explanatory, stock, basic 1969 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. Today, it's completely changed. New paint job, new wheels, completely detailed out properly. I'm not going to make you guys wait anymore. Let's go see what we finished with. And here is our final results for the DIBS Long Roof Invitational. Guys, this car, I know it doesn't look like a whole heck of a much change, but there's a lot going on here. So like I said, we have put new wheels on this car, completely detailed it out, new paint job, and just a cool, simple build. I didn't want to go too crazy on this. I just wanted it to be a build that someone built in their backyard, in their garage, spray painted it with like a rattle can spray paint, and just took it across country and just drove the thing. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know we didn't talk too much. I know it was a bit shortcoming, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Guys, remember, December 10th is coming really fast. That is going to be our Nova giveaway build. We're going to show the process of that and how we put it together. And then we're going to give that car away. So one of you can have an early Christmas gift. Guys, thank you for stopping by. If you guys haven't already, make sure to go check out everyone's DIBS builds for this month. We do have another one at the end of the month. It's a Christmas themed build. We are going to work on a El Camino. That's going to be a tree hauler. So that should be pretty cool. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. And I will look forward to seeing you guys on December 10th for the Nova giveaway build. Alright guys, thank you very much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one.